Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be get ready with me. So मैं जा रही हूँ सरोजनी नगर for checking out कि क्या नया collection आया है. So this is what I am wearing. This is yellowish, whitish, DIY shirt. So अब मैं अपना सीधा शुरू करती हूँ skin care. So first मैंने अपने स्किन को अच्छे से ना क्लीन कर लिया है and now I am using Berry का विटामिन C मॉइस्चराइजर एंड दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग. बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करता है. सो लेट्स टेक टू पंप एंड जस्ट अप्लाई इट. Very good guys, you can see. And it smells really good. So next step is sunscreen and it is most important step. So guys, if you never apply sunscreen, just start applying it. Never skip your sunscreen. Even if you are not applying moisturizer, it is the must step in your skin care. So you should apply it. And of course, sunscreen is your best friend. It protects you from any sunburn, any pollution, moisturized skin, and also it is investment in your future skin. Trust me guys, your future skin will say thanks to you when you will apply sunscreen every day. So just apply it before your makeup. Now I will take 1 or 2 pump. Ooh. Nice. And it smells really great. This is really good. So I am not using any primer. Instead I am using the sunscreen. And guys, the best thing is it is for all skin types, so you can use it. Just blend it properly like orange corrector because I have so many acne marks, and this is how it looks like. Now I will blend it. But now I am applying Lakme 925 Prime Plus Matte Foundation and I will use it in बहुत कम quantity में. This much I will be using. I will just blend it. Damn good. I'm applying the mascara and this is really amazing. This is from Maybelline and this is the Hyper Curl Mascara. I love this one. So guys, this is the final look, and look at my skin guys, look at this makeup look. It turns out really amazing. So good skin, good mood and good day. So hope you like this video guys. Do like, share and comment. अगर channel पे नए हो तो जल्दी से subscribe कर दो. पास में जो bell icon है वहाँ पे भी press कर दो. So whenever I upload any new video, you will get notified first. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.